Now the second example. Uh, Now the next example. A trust fund has 30,000 rupees that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among the two types of bonds. If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1800, rupees 2000. So what we have to do here, we should know a formula of simple interest. The formula of simple interest is principal amount into rate of interest into time over 100. Here the time period is only for 1 year per year, so we will do it as P into R by 100. Now the question says the part of amount is to be invested on 5% interest and the other part is to be invested on 7% interest for 1 year. This formula SI is equal to P1 R1 100 plus P2 R2 by 100. But what is P1 and R1 here, and how could we do it by matrix system of multiplication? Here rupees 30,000 is to be divided in two parts. So the first part should be X and the second part should be 30,000 minus X, and the formula will become X on 5% per annum and 30,000 on 7% per annum. But matrix system will do it as now this is an introduction to the question. We will start doing it properly. Solution. The solution says let one part of the payment be X rupees invested on 5%, other part be 30,000 minus X rupees on invested on 7%. Here from this and this we can write it as X 30,000 minus X, or we can write it as X 30,000 minus X, and the second thing, the percentage 5% and 7%, we can write it as 5-7, or the other way 5-7. I'm writing this is 2 into 1 and this is 1 into 2. We can take those two things because we have to multiply the principal amount and the rate of interest. So I have written it as X and 30,000 minus X, 2 into 1 order matrix, and this is 1 into 2 matrix. Here the number of columns are 1 and here the number of rows are 1. Here in the second portion, if I am writing it as x 30,000 minus x 1 into 2, this is 2 into 1. So if I am taking this, I have to follow this. If I am taking this, I have to follow this. So I'll continue it here. Now which way will take it? The SI is given, SI is 1800. So if I make it, if I write it as a matrix, it will be like this. It is 1 into 1 matrix. 1 into 1 means if I am using this matrix, using this and this matrix, it will make the new matrix. Multiplication of these two matrices will make the new matrix. The product will be of order 2 into 2, but I want it 1 into 1 matrix. So I am following this system, because the first matrix is 1, the first matrix is 1 into 2 and the other matrix is 2 into 1. The product of these two matrices will be of order 1 into 1. The number of rows of first matrix and the number of columns of second matrix. So I will use this part. For the first part, where SI is 1800, the SI is x 30,000 minus x into 5 into 7, 5 into by 100, 7 by 100. 5%, 7% should be equal to 1800 rupees. So it is like when we multiply it, x into 5 by 100, x into 5 by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 is equal to 1800. 5x by 100 plus, when we multiply this, I will write it this way. Here I will take 100 as common, 1 by 100 as common, so it will become now 5x plus 30 into 7 to 10 minus 7x is equal to 18000, and solving this, taking this and this, it will become 2x is equal to 21000 minus 1,80,000. 2x is equal to 30,000 and x is 30,000 by 2. 2x is equal to 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000. 2x is equal to 30,000. Then x is equal to 30,000 by 2, and x become, we get the value of x as 15,000 rupees. So the first part invested at 5% is equal to rupees 15,000. Second part invested at 7% is equal to 30,000 minus 15,000 is 15,000. Now we'll do the second part of the question. When the SI is equal to rupees 2,000, not 2100 but 2,000. We'll follow the same system. X 30,000 minus X 5%, 7% is equal to 2,000. By multiplying both matrices, we will get X into 5%, this is 5x by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7%, it becomes 30 minus x into 7 by 100 is equal to 2,000. So we will write it as by taking 100 as common from both from this side, it becomes it becomes 2 lakh, and solving this it becomes 2x is equal to 21000 minus 2 lakh. 2x is equal to 10,000, x is equal to 10,000 by 5, and x is 10,000 by 2, and then dividing 10,000 by 2 it becomes 5,000. So value of x is 5,000. First part of the payment invested, or we can write it as amount invested on 5% is equal to rupees 5% or is equal to rupees 5,000, and the amount invested on 7% is equal to rupees 30,000 minus rupees 5,000 is equal to 25,000.